25 miles on this FXBB from 2021 in a stone-washed white. Beautiful color. 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine. That's the 9th generation V-twin by Harley-Davidson. We have the 4 valves per cylinder, 4 spark plugs total, and dual overhead cams. It's a beautiful machine. A lot of power. You're going to feel that with a Softail frame and the lightweight quality of the Softail. Spoked rims, rubber mounts on the front forks, keeping that dust away from the front. LEDs on the front, headlights. We have turn signals, Mini-Ape handlebars, mid controls, standard shifter peg. We have the 114 Derby cover on the transmission, 6-speed transmission, belt-driven final drive, spoked rims in the back as well. Beautiful decal on the tank, solo seat, passenger pillion, and stock exhaust. Again, this is very low mileage on a 2021 Street Bob. Come on down to experience exactly what I'm talking about. These stats don't mean anything unless they're in the palm of your hand. Come on down for a test ride today. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on what you would go, where you would go with this Street Bob 2021.